What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play All I Want by Olivia Rodrigo from High School Musical, the series on the good old uke. As always with every ukulele tutorial, I will include a skip to section right here where you can skip to either the chords or the strumming if you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video. I totally get it, I totally understand. But if you did watch the entire video, I'd love you forever. Also, what I do want to note is that the full ukulele play along for this song, which consists of the lyrics and chords on screen while I strum and sing the entire song, that video will be live on my channel after this video. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when that video does go live on this channel and you don't miss out. Also, if you do want to download the full PDF chord sheet for this song, which is the lyrics and chord right above the word, if you do want to download that, that will be available on Patreon. Definitely go check it out if you do want to get the PDF chord sheets for all the songs that we do on this channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's a monthly subscription service, and I would love if you would check it out. That will be down below. But with all that said and done, let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song. Alright, so let's learn these chords. This song has 5 chords, and as always, I will include a visual representation right next to me of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it's just a lot easier when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So let's pick up our uke, and the first chord that we need is the A minor chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, which is the top string, 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, which is the bottom string, 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. Awesome. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. So how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret. So it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. Perfect. And last but not least, we have the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. Alright, so those are all 5 chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then once the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming. This song is actually pretty simple in that we're just going to really be doing a lot of down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, just strum down. But there is an option to add a little bit more extra spice to the mix and add a little bit of a strumming pattern if you want to. But again, if you're like, Ricky, I just started a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, I just picked this uke up, I don't want to add any strumming. All you have to do is just strum down whenever you see a chord change. And again, the full downloadable PDF chord sheet will be available on Patreon, link in the description below if you want to go check it out. And also the full play along will show you the chords and lyrics on screen so you know exactly when to change chords. So again, just strum down whenever you see a chord change. But we can also add a little bit of a strumming pattern. So let's go from C to A minor to E minor to F. So when you get to the F, it's gonna go down, down, up, 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 down, up. So again, C, down strum, A minor, down strum, E minor, down strum, F is going to be down, down, up, 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 down, up. So if you add everything together, it's going to sound like this. Let's do that one more time in 3, 2, 1. So again, that strumming pattern at the end is going to be down, down, up, 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 down, up. And again, this is totally optional if you want to add a little bit more spice. I would add that strumming pattern at the end, but again, you're not going to do that throughout the entire song. Some of the parts would just require a down strum, and it will sound just as awesome. But again, that little extra strumming part is just going to be down, down, up, 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 down, up. So if we add some lyrics and chords to the mix of that with the strumming pattern, it's going to be like, I found a guy, told me I was a star. Or you can just do a down strum of, I found a guy, told me I was a star. So you really have a choice of what you want to add, just the down strum or the strumming with the down strum and a little bit more spice. Again, totally your choice on how comfortable you feel changing chords and strumming. Alright, so we learned the chords and the different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play All I Want by Olivia Rodrigo from the High School Musical, the series, on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, if you haven't already. Also, I do want to give a huge shout out to you. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I know there's a billion, gajillion, trillion videos that you can watch here on YouTube, and you decided to click on this one, so thank you so much for that. Also, I just want to let you know that we do go live on YouTube every Wednesday and Friday. I'll leave the full schedule in the description below. If you have just recently subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for subscribing, and welcome to the best uke fam on the YouTubes. In my opinion, we have a really great time here, so thank you so much for joining. And if you do want to join the Potato Squad, again, the live streaming that we do every Wednesday and Friday, as soon as you watch one of those or kind of interact on the live streams, you will be part of the Potato Squad, which is like a squad within a squad. So it's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much to everybody who's joined the live streams and also who has just subscribed and watched these videos. I can't thank you enough. And finally, make sure to open the description below for all the links to everything from the uke that I was playing in this video, which is the Hola concert ukulele. Absolutely amazing uke, I highly recommend. And it's also super affordable. To the merch for this channel, if you do want to support, link will be in the description below. I'm currently wearing the Potato Squad hoodie. And also to all of the links to my socials. It's just going to be at Ricky Somborn for everything from Twitter to Instagram to TikTok to Patreon. Everything will be in the description below, so make sure you go check all that stuff out. And make sure to follow me on your most used social media platforms. Personally, for me, I'm really active on Instagram and TikTok, so you can find a lot of new videos and posts on there. Also, if you do get any of the merch or if you learn any of the songs through this channel from the tutorials, the play-alongs, and you want to share them out with the rest of the uke fam, I'm always reposting things on Instagram. If you tag me in posts and stories, I'm always resharing. So thank you so much to everybody who supported this channel by either subscribing, watching these videos, or getting merch. You guys are absolutely the best. Thank you so much for changing my life. Again, all my socials are just at Ricky Somborn. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.